Thanks for joining me. If you're just joining me right now, welcome to the night test with the DJI Action 4 and the Vespa. Beautiful night for a Vespa. Just cruising around town. We're going to be staying in this lane because we're going to be taking a right. Oh shit, we got the salt dog. I told you guys it was called. Salt dog. Oh, what a wonderful scooter. This thing is just so smooth and consistent. Just nice and quiet. Oh, I just realized this guy also has a snowplow. Holy shit. This guy's trying to give me a seizure. I don't know if those lights were necessary. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. So we're just over here in kind of the office-y part of town. Lots of office buildings and little stores. Oh, that's a cool VW. What a gorgeous VW. Oh god, the salt truck's back. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright, we got a green light, but we're not going. So that's good. We're going to do a little loop here. But, hey, as you can tell, this thing's pretty peppy. And not only is it peppy, the funny thing about it is it's so quiet. This thing's just ridiculously quiet. Amazing for around town, just around the neighborhood, anything like that. We're going to go down this road, but instead of taking a right, we're just going to go straight, which will take us down kind of by the marina. See all the cool boats. We're about 4 minutes from the water, by like the bay, the ocean right now. So super close. I'm trying to think if this is the right lane I need to be in. We will soon find out. Yeah, I think this looks good. Oh, crap. Okay, we're gonna get over. Let's experience the roar of the Vespa. Wow, look at that. So yeah, I'd say it has some passing power. Not bad at all. On that pickup. Look at that. Yeah, it definitely can move. I love this thing. Hopefully this car doesn't pull out. Perfect. We're going to go straight and then take a left. This guy's reversing. This is so funny. This guy stopped under the train. You guys see this? Is this where you're supposed to stop? Not right there. Except when those guards come down, they're in his car. Oh, now we're gonna go left. Nice. It's probably their first rodeo. That's what I like to say. And yeah, we have one or two exits, and then we'll just be taking a left to the boats. Yeah, there they are. There's a few Christmas trees on the boats. That's kind of cool. I thought there'd be more to see, but it's kind of tough right now. Whee! But look at that. That's a pretty view. There we go. Got the boats in the water. All right. We're just going to be finishing up our little cruise by taking a right back through downtown. And the air just feels so good. I bet it's colder than 39. It definitely feels like it. Getting these tires all warmed up side to side. realized I have to take a right here. There's no one coming. We're going to take a U-turn. This will be a good test of the Vespa's turning skills. All right, now take a right. Whee! There we go. This thing moves. God, those ladies had a vape pen and I can smell it from here. Holy smokes. Ugh. All right, onward. There's that VW again. That is so cool. Okay. I guess we're gonna stop right here. And we're off. I think what we'll do to do like a ultra night test, we'll kind of go home through the neighborhood, so it'll be extra dark. All right, we're gonna be taking a right. Let's go ahead and get in the left lane, hit our signal. This Vespa is just so light and nimble, it's unbelievable. At this next light, we'll be taking a left. Let's see how it handles this hill. The Vespa's like, what hill? This is a huge hill, no problem at all. Going right up it. This little 150cc engine is peppier than I imagined it to be. I know this is going to be controversial, but I don't know if you really need anything bigger than this around town. I mean, in fact, I know you don't need anything bigger. It's just, do you want something bigger around town? Here we go. Let's give it a little bit of gas. Whee! Look at this, guys. I don't want to hit it too hard because these roads are wet still. Great. This thing is awesome. I hope you're enjoying this night test. If you are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would totally help me out. Lets me know I'm doing something right. Expect to see a lot more videos in 2025. I've just basically been getting my camera settings dialed in, so I appreciate you guys viewing and joining me, and just thanks for the support. Whee! It's like a roller coaster. No, I have 17. Used to 17-inch wheels. I have it on, like on my sport bike, super sport, and the standard motorcycle. I uses 17-inch wheels, and I'm trying to remember what size these are, but they are much smaller than 17. I want to say they're like 10 or 12. I think they're 10. I'm leaning towards 10, if I remember correctly. So yeah, a 10-inch wheel. What I'm trying to say is it maneuvers. You can flick this thing left and right. You can see me kind of flicking it around in the video, and it's fun. Well, guys, thank you for joining me. You guys have been great. Thank you for riding along. Drop a comment in there. Just let me know what you think of this video. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, let me know what I can do to improve. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye-bye.